This course is called Service Design Management, Setting the Stage for Implementation. My name is Tina Weisser and I work as a change and innovation consultant and also a lecturer and trainer for service design in Munich. Implementation is a huge challenge, and the harsh reality is that 70% of service design projects don't get implemented. So how will this course support you in your service design career? We will reveal common obstacles most service designers face in their work, being within a company or also externally in an agency. You will learn to identify and tackle these obstacles at a very early point in the process. We will discuss the conditions and culture teams need and how to improve the service design maturity. You will get introduced to the 24 success factors for service design implementation, and I will also provide some more context and fundamental theory to better understand how you can influence successful implementation.